Hello everyone, welcome back to my Chinese class. I'm Jeff. After we all know the Pinyin in the last lesson, let's see another important thing, tones. It is a great challenge to dealing with the problems of tonal changes in the pronunciation of Chinese words. Okay, it's a big challenge. You should pay attention to that. On the other hand, as we all know, English speakers speak English with one tones, even and flat, okay, and without no tonal changes. But if speaking Chinese with the same way, one will get some surprising results. Virtually, he will be misunderstood. Okay, let's get back to Chinese tones. Fortunately, the pronunciation of the other three tones in Chinese is not absolutely precise in actually used, though there is an official tones. Different people pronounce them slightly different. So, there is some tolerance. Plus, the fact that the context in which words are used helps us to understand the meaning, okay? Make the meaning clearly. Again, while using an incorrect tones will change the meaning of the words, you should pay attention to that, okay? Take good note about that. I suggest you try your best to pronounce correct most of the time. Then you will be a good communicator with Chinese, right? Okay, have you got it? About the importance of the tones, right? Okay, that's all for today. I'm Jeff. Welcome back and join us. Thank you. See you next time. Bye bye.